Hi guys, this is our next redo. This is the next one that we're buying, closing on it, and we're gonna do some remodeling on it. First time we've bitten off this big a bite. So I'm gonna show you the top, then I'm gonna show you the remodel. Cutest little beach house ever. I'm up on the top deck going into the first floor. It's 2-story. It is cute as it can be. There's not going to be anything that we have to do up here at all. It's just got some of the cutest details. Look at that. That's so pretty. And the lamp already has painting up here. Got to get some chairs for here, painting for there. And this is the view out. That's gorgeous. Probably spend all my time watching there. We're going to build a pier out here with a boathouse. It was blown away at the last hurricane. So we're going to just make a pier that you can get your boat in and also have a little sun deck too. So that's one of the projects we're checking on. The kitchen is great. I'm not crazy about one thing, and that is that little detail. But if we can't figure anything out, I'm at least going to paint the cord white on there. And I know why they did that. It was for cabinet space. There was no counter space over there if you put the microwave down. It has lots of cabinet drawers. It's in this little small pantry. It has slide outs. That is such a great idea. Such a great idea. The refrigerator doesn't need replacing. And this painting is absolutely gorgeous. And this is the view from back here. It already has a recliner here. That is a couch bed, so it can turn into a bedroom in there. This is just a storage closet. This bathroom, of course, let me see if the light works in here. Yeah, not much. Of course, we'll have to change out those bulbs. Those are yellow, so you know I like bright light. Gonna have to have a curtain and some tub work. That needs spiffing up, replacing. We're not sure exactly. We've got someone coming to look at it to see. That's more than I can handle. I'm going to paint that white, and I'm going to paint around the mirror white. No wonder I can't see. Paint around the mirror white. So that will kind of bring all that together. And this is another storage closet. This is the guest room. It's a nice sized bedroom. Nothing needs to be done in here. Absolutely nothing. It also has a little closet. Of course, I'm going to put pillows and a bedspread. Yes, that does need doing, but that's just minor. Nothing major needs to be done in there. And the same thing with the master. It doesn't need any work at all in here. I wonder why that light's not coming on. I need to tell Bucky that. That's something else we'll have to look at. It just needs pillows and a bedspread. And this room will be done. In the bathroom, we have... It needs 3 doors, and there's a leak in the shower. We'll get that done. Let's see if these lights come on. There we go. It looks really cool. Got a new fixture up there. All the fixtures were gold, and they put the nickel on there, which I like the nickel better. It's brighter. So this is the upstairs. Oh, here's the master closet. Nice size closet. This is the upstairs. It's just mostly cosmetic things, nothing in a lot of the places. So let's go downstairs and see what we find down there. Before we go downstairs, I got ahead of myself. I do that a lot. I just want to kind of point out some details that they did that I think is really, of course, we don't close until tomorrow, so it's not really ours yet. But this lamp, I probably will move over into here because I can't see that that's going to do anything but interfere with the TV. And there's no lamps where you can have a reading place there. There's a plug there. We can put a small lamp there, not a very big one. to read, but this area, to make it cozy where you can sit down and read, it's going to have something. These two chairs are extra chairs. Absolutely love them. But it does need a table. As you see, they left the lamp, but no table. So it does need a small table there. And I might actually take that table and put it over here. And let me see if I can get some lights on. There's one. Oh, cam lights. That's pretty cool. All right. So in the table, we've got chairs coming. If we close and everything goes well, I'm going to put 4 chairs and 2 bar stools. The bar is not made to eat off of. So if I put 2 bar stools here that are the chair size, that'll give it a whole lot more options for that. Love the light fixture. It's absolutely cute as it can be. Then have the little side table, which would be great to put for serving if you're going to do anything. Have a crowd here. She did some great decorating. I did notice this up here. I think that is a smoke detector that's missing. We do have that. And the kitchen, really, other than what I told you before for the microwave, it's absolutely great. I know this is for Micah, but we're leaving it. I think it looks good. I think it looks great. And there's Mr. Bucky. He's taking his pictures. So another few details I just want to show you that we're concerned about, but we're going to see what we can do. And that was the tub. I told you about that. It does have some damage on it. We're going to see what it costs to redo that, because that will be the biggest one. There's another area we got to work on, but the rest of it is just cosmetic. It's just a matter of getting the right bedspread, some pillows. Same thing in this room, bedspread and pillows. I know it's kind of dark, but we have not, like I say, we have not closed on it. And we just really wanted to get in here and see what we might do. I'm going to do another real slow scan. That view is just to die for. So pretty. I told you we have plans for the pier, but we're also going to, instead of putting a roof on it, we're thinking about, since it's configured the way it is, we're thinking about just using umbrellas. Go ahead and just have a table with an umbrella. Of course, with the wind the way it is, you'll have to make sure that you close the umbrella every day. But I think that would take up less room and be a better fit for this smaller deck. I love the way they did the plexiglass. Look at that. That is so cool. We're going to go down and look at the major work we got to do. This comes out of the living room, and you get to go down through here. This is brand new. Nothing needs doing here. This just needs a good washing on there. See the deck right through there? That just needs that. I forgot what it's called. I'll think of it in a minute. Anyway, this is brand new. So you go down there. Oh, I know I'm scooting you around, but this is a very important thing. Right here, they have a lift. They don't call it an elevator. They call it a lift. And you can put your groceries there, put your bodies there. It goes up and down, and it comes up to the deck. So that's a really great feature, especially if an elderly couple like me and Bucky absolutely get it. And it has orange trees. Is that not the coolest thing? I'm excited. We'll have to see if there's some oranges on it. I think it's oranges. It could be lemons. Not sure. This goes down to the little beach. And like I say, we will have a dock that goes out there. There's room if someone wants to put a pool there. That would work. So we're going to go downstairs. And this is what's going to be a major DIY. This is how you come into the little beach house. I'm going to try to show you. Look at this. It has a banana tree too. So excited about that. And look, the bananas are just about ready to pick. Isn't that wonderful? So I'm going to come into the side so you can see. This is the stairs that you go up to get into the beach house. I love the color of it. Isn't that a pretty color? There's a few things that we have to do on the outside. Not many, not much, but a few things. As I was telling you before, this walkway is brand new. And I'm just walking you around the yard. There's another banana tree. And this brings us back out to the beach area. We're going to do stepping stones all the way to the pier on there. I'm going to get you out here to the water. Y'all know I love me some water. And there it is that way. We're going to clean up all of that bottom. We're going to leave it natural. It has a swing down there, and there's the lift I was telling you about. Thank goodness it doesn't have a whole lot of yard, so we're excited about that. But all of this needs some great cleaning up. There's some wood things there. When we enclose that part, we're going to have to make sure that the walkway is big enough, and then there'll still be enough for patio. See, there's going to be enough under the deck for an open one, but then there's going to be plenty once we take out this board to make a nice little sitting area right here. That's the water heater. We're going to close that off, and I just think it's going to work really well. So I just wanted you to see the outside also. It has room right now for 2 cars, possibly 3. And I want to take you out here and show you the view from the bottom. Has a swing. I'm going to remove that so you can see straight out onto the open water. Straight out. Now, this area is where I'm taking you. This is the DIY. Absolutely a mess. A mess. They started it and did not finish it. So it has a small bathroom. We're going to reconfigure that bathroom, bring it out a little bit here, so it will be a little larger. This is going to be like an efficiency apartment when we finish. You can, if they buy it, they can rent it out as an apartment or 2 extra bedrooms. I'm going to put a small kitchenette right here, probably an under-the-counter refrigerator, sink, and then stovetop. And here I'm thinking to utilize this space. You know what a Murphy's bed is? I think I want to do a Murphy table, one that's on hinges that comes up, and then you can lower it down right here in this area, and that'll save a lot of space in the whole room, because it is small, and I think that would work. Couch go here, but we're going to put a wall right here, and we're going to extend it out into this area and make it 2 bedrooms. And that way you've got 4 bedrooms instead of 2 bedrooms. So that is our plan for this. We'll keep you informed as it goes. Hope you enjoyed it. I hope you will hit that little bell and subscribe to my channel. We're always doing something that has to do with flipping and decorating and just do-it-yourself things. So until this venture starts.